ever thought and wondered to yourself, how do I do a backward shuffle? I'm going to show you exactly that. So what you're looking for is how to do this. Or, which will look some way cooler, this. Not very hard at all. Just do a skip motion. La-di-da. But slide your foot backwards as you're doing it. Here's it separate. Together. Okay, so separate. The skipping looks a lot like it, don't you agree? Yeah, come on, please. So people, that's how you do it. Shoo, pew, bop, bop. I'm exiting with my shoe. That's it with my toe. Toe, toe, stop. This is hard. Could do it with my big toe this time. Peeky.